This is a 27-liter Meteor engine.
Now, we got some important stuff to go over here today that a mechanic must learn.
Has 650 horsepower. And is the first British tank engine. That supply tanks with reliable power. Let's not waste time, let's go and see it.
So this is a Rolls Royce Meteor 4B, as it says on the plate here, with an engine number, but this one was made by Jaguar under license in 1943, and you can just see the other side of the lift plate. So a 27-litre V12, the twin-stage compressors that would be on a Merlin, but with a big bronze carburettor that sits underneath this lot here, is in this Centurion Mark III main battle tank, and a 60-ton tank with this engine in would consume 4 gallons of petrol to do 1 mile. The engine as it stands is good for about 650 horsepower, but if you take this spacer out here, you can get about 1150 horsepower out of it. So there it is without the camshaft. We've got the camshafts and a solid steel shaft like that through the gearets at the other end. This is an actual genuine Spitfire exhaust. Is Inconel exhaust made of non-corrosive Inconel. The mild steel flange, these were off a Lancaster. So this is off the aircraft version of the same engine, the Merlin engine. Size of the oil filter. The most famous Rolls Royce engine is probably the Merlin, 27 litres V12 used in the Spitfire, but that had a 2-stage supercharger. The tank version was essentially a detuned one.
Believe it or not, people are actually fitting this engine on cars and they raise. How about that for a project? The engine, it's for sale on blackduckoctane.com, so if you'd like, have a look there.